is Shatakshi Girish Varigiri and I am in class 6. Today I am going to perform Saveri Jadiswaram with Swara More. Item Jadiswaram, Ragam Saveri, Talam Rupakam, Composer Tanjore Quartet. Saveri Jadiswaram is a classical Indian dance composition typically performed in Bharatnatyam that is set to Ragam Saveri and focuses heavily on rhythmic patterns Jadi without any lyrics, showcasing intricate footwork and pure dance movements Nrita rather than expressive storytellings that is Abhinaya.
Thank you, Shatakshi.
Welcome Swara.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Swara More from class 5th. Today I am going to perform Saveri Jati Swaram with Shatakshi Varigiri. Jati Swaram is a type of composition in Carnatic music that primarily emphasizes rhythmic patterns using syllables, that is jatis, instead of lyrics. They begin with the Tirmanam, usually 3 to 4 avatanams. It brings about 3 aspects of dance: unity of music, rhythm and movements. Thank you. Hope you enjoy your performance.
Re sa da pa ma ga re sa re sa re ma pa da re sa re sa da pa ma ga re sa re da sa re ni da pa ma ga ri ma pa da ni da re sa ga ri sa da ni da ga ri sa da ma ma ga ri sa ri ma pa da ni da ga ri sa ni da pa ma pa da sa ri sa da pa ma ga ri sa
Wonderful performance.